Hey, this is Arjun, CEO of Doola, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through our simple 4-step process to form a US company, get your employer identification number, open a US business bank account, and set up your payment processor. Let's dive in. Step 1 is forming your company. As soon as we get some information and payment, we can start forming your company. We don't need any documents to get started. All you need to do is fill out our online form with a few pieces of information. Your ideal company name, and we'll also ask for some backups in case your first name is taken, a personal address, which can be anywhere in the world, you do not have to be a US resident, your email, so we can stay in touch with you. Later in the process, you may need your passport to set up your business bank account. The timeline for this step is about 1 week on average, and the major dependency here is the state, as we are waiting for the state to process your formation and return documents. Step number 2 is getting your US employer identification number, or your EIN. Once your company is formed, we can start working on your EIN application for your employer identification number. Important note, a US Social Security number is not required for this step. We can apply on your behalf if you do not have a social. However, if you do have a Social Security number, this can greatly speed up the process. If you have a Social Security number, timelines are typically a few days and less than a week, as we can apply online. If you do not have a US Social Security number, unfortunately, we have to fax a form to the IRS, and this could take 2 to 4 weeks at least, oftentimes longer if the IRS is experiencing delays. Important note here, the IRS is a government agency, which means if macroeconomic events like COVID or other events like the holidays happen, the IRS can slow down. So we work to submit applications as soon as possible so that as soon as the IRS returns your EIN, you will be the first person to know. Step number 3 is applying for your US business bank account. Once you get your EIN, which is required for a business bank account, you're ready to apply for a US bank account through our custom partner portals. We work with specific banks to ensure that your application is expedited and they are trusted partners who can open your business bank account. A passport is required for this step. The timeline for this step can take 1 to 2 weeks on average. Now it can be faster, but it can take a little longer, and this is because the bank is reviewing your application and running a process called KYC, or Know Your Customer. The dependency for this step is the timeline it takes for the bank to review your application. Step number 4, setting up your payment processor. Once your bank account is set up, we'll help you connect it to your payment processor so you can start accessing your payments sent to your account from anywhere in the world. It's very easy to do this. For example, if you're using a tool like Stripe, all you have to do is create a Stripe account, link it to your bank account, and voila, any payments received in Stripe will be instantly deposited in your bank account. The timeline for this step is a few days on average. Oftentimes, it's a few hours, but you might need some more time to fully set up the payments account and fully set up your bank account. That's a wrap. That is really the simple 4-step process to form your US company, get an EIN, open a bank account, and connect it to a payment processor to start accepting payments from anywhere in the world. If you have any questions about any parts of this process, check out our additional content for deep dives on each and every step, and don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions. Without further ado, thanks for watching this video, and we can't wait to help you turn your dream idea into your dream US business.